All right, welcome back to Peanut Garage. So if you watch the 6-pack challenge announcement, you know the HX is going up against another HX, but a 2-door coupe, not another ute. So this thing needs to be ready by the end of the year, October, November. So I've got a little bit of special kit sitting over there that we're going to chuck in today. So kick back, relax, and enjoy. Alright, so over here, in amongst all the crap that my employees haven't bothered to friggin' clean up, is my brand new 9-inch. Ooh, look at her. She's a little bit dusty, picked it up a couple of months ago, because the lead time on the new super low leaf springs were astronomically long. So, anyway, that's going in today. So let's have a look at the current diff. So the current diff is not a standard KINGSWOOD diff anyway. It's actually a Borg Warner. Oh, we got late. So I made this when I first started building the car. I actually even got the pinion angle pretty good. So it's got VN big brakes. They're going to go on the VN because I've decided to get the 9-inch because for how much power I eventually want to be making in this, ain't going to be enough. It will hurt this poor little Borg Warner, and I can move it on to someone else. So, them's the brakes. We'll get set up, and we'll get this thing out, and we'll start playing with all the cool shit. All right, I'll set you up, and I'll be back. Oakley dokley. So, as you can see, it's no diff in here. Relatively painless to change out a diff in these things, which is good. So, I think I spent a whole 20 minutes taking that diff out. One day I will change all the body mounts, but that is not today. And we're also going to be taking out the rest of this fuel system too, because I've got filmed in another video of putting a fuel cell in, which I haven't finished editing because there's a couple of bits and pieces to go, which we'll finish pretty much today, hopefully, if I got enough bits. And we will also be putting in the bulkhead for here for the power cable and mounting all that junk up while we're on the hoist. Make my life easier. So it's probably going to be a late one tonight. Alright, so these springs are both in, so we'll chuck the bushes in there, get the back end ready, we'll get the diff on the in position, bolt it in, and tighten everything up. Alright, back soon. Alright, this is how you don't use a 2-post hoist. So I'm here by myself,
that's way too heavy for me to lift. So yeah. See? Yeah, you're meant to have 2 safety chains. I can only find 1, so I'm only using 1. Oh, no, so good. Alright, I'm actually going to leave the 2-inch blocks out because these are super lows, and I had repressed springs and the like before, so we'll just test fit everything as is with the springs it is now, and judging by how much gap there's going to be between that, I think it'll be pretty good. But then again, I could be wrong. Yeah. Oh, fuck you. Boom. Finger. Now, I'm actually going to see if these U-bolts are going to work, because that's going to suck if they don't. And they're not going to work. Oh, they might. Oh, piece of candy. I think they're just going to work. Alright, so GoPro died, so I'm on my Samsung. Got the wheels on, got the other bracket on. Got to work out something with the shocks. I'm probably going to have to buy new ones and throw the other ones away, which is a major pain in the ass. Yeah. But I did only pay $50 for them because I'm cheap. Anyway, we'll dump this thing on the ground and come back. And that's pretty damn good. So, got fingers. That's pretty damn good. Nothing's touching. Perfect. So, yeah. Nothing's touching, so good. So, happy days. Let's have a look at the other side. Obviously I've got a bunch more to do on this thing. I need to go get some screws and whatnot shortly. That's the install of the 9-inch. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Be good or be good at it.